message for the young entrepreneurs who want to start their healthy life?
See, well, let me think. Yeah, I think this is very, very important. It's very, very pertinent to today's time. What I see amongst very young people, most people are at two extremes. There's one group of people who are extremely focused about health. They won't eat the wrong stuff and they are like very fanatical about it. They disrespect people. If somebody offers them something, oh no, I don't eat all that. So that's also not good. Or they have to be in the gym. They will leave everything and they will go. And there is another set of group of people who completely ignore healthy advice and they think life is just about fun. So they completely disregard healthy eating. So it's all about striking a balance, and and my message is to those who are like very, very body conscious, like how they look, because you guys are you have to be on Instagram and Facebook, and so there's a lot of peer pressure to look good. So in doing that, you are putting a very unachievable targets for yourselves, and you guys are suffering a lot. And people are trying to really eat extremely healthy. So you have to understand there's a thin line between healthy eating and unhealthy eating, because there is this group of people who suffer from something we call orthorexia, which means it's unhealthy focus on healthy eating. You're so focused on healthy eating that becomes unhealthy. So be wary of these small little gray areas that you don't, they are like quite blurred. That your focus on health doesn't become so much that it's affecting you mentally. And when people do, because they're under so much stress, because of which it affects the hormones also. So the message is to both the sections of people. It's all about striking a balance between good and bad. Because if you don't know how to do that, you will have a problem later on in life.